Hello everyone. So this side Ajay Kumar Sani. So I start that whole course which is high temperature materials. Okay. So actually in this I told you all the things which is related to the high temperature materials. That why we use high temperature materials and where we use these types of the materials. Okay. So it is very simple. Like we also know about the factors. Okay. So see here. Uh, in this video I told you about the topics which will be covered in upcoming videos. Okay, so see here, like this is the our main course topic. Okay, it is our course. Okay, so high temperature materials. If you want the certificate of that course, or you want to join the course that course, so I give you a link in the description. Okay, so you can join there. So and also you get all the study materials there for the study yourself. Okay, so here I cover the syllabus that what we talk about. Okay, so the first topic is it is factor. Okay, so you know about the factors. Okay, so they are in this factor. This is like our first chapter. So in this chapter I cover like the various types of the factor. Okay, so this is first. Okay, and this is the ductile to ductile, from low temperature to high temperature. Okay, and the cleavage fracture and ductile fracture due to the microvoid. Okay, so you say that in these materials them some words, you know words like in Hindi we can say that like बहुत छोटा छोटा मतलब छेद या होल हो जाते हैं, उसको ही मतलब वर्ड बोलते हैं. Collisions diffusions control word growth. Okay, and fracture map for the different alloy on the oxides. So I cover all these topics in the upcoming videos. And second chapter is related to the corrosion and heat transmitted to transmit of materials and alloys. Okay, so in this we discuss about the we will discuss about the types of the corrosions and effect of this. Okay, on the mechanical properties and stress corrosions cracking. Okay, and corrosion resistance material used for the space vehicles, heat transmit of the carbon steel, because you know that where most of the high temperature materials are used in the engine. Okay, and in space vehicles. So you know space vehicles, when rock any vehicles is enter in the atmosphere of the earth, like it is earth, it is the atmosphere. So when it is enter in the atmosphere of the earth, then the temperature of its surface is very much. So here we use the high temperature materials to protect the astronauts from this heating. Okay, and heat transmit of carbon steel, aluminum alloy, magnesium alloy, titanium alloy, effect of alloys, treatment and heat resistance alloy, and tool and dies steels magnetic alloys. We all discuss about these in upcoming videos. Okay, and in third chapter it is about the mechanical behavior of the materials. Okay, so it is simple linear non-linear elastic properties. Okay, and yielding, you know about these, and strain hardening, fracture, Wa- Wegener effect, notch effect, testing, and flow direction of the materials and the components, creep and fatigue, and comparative study of the materials, and ceramic, plastic, and the composites. And it is our chapter 4. In this we discuss mainly on the creeps. Okay, so creep and the design of the creep resistance. Okay, so in this chapter we discuss about the factors influencing functional life of the component at elevated temperature. Okay, definition of the creep curve, various stage of the creep, and the metallurgical factor in the influencing various states, effect of stresses, temperature, strain rate, design of transistent creep time, okay, and hardening and strain hardening, and expression of reputature, life of corrupt creep, and ductile and brittle materials. Okay, and it is our second last chapter, which is alloy and the other materials. So it is alloy actually based on the iron waste, nickel waste, cobalt waste, superalloys, component controls. Okay, and the solid solution, strengthening and perception, hardening by the gamma prime, and grain boundary strengthening, TCP phase, and embrittlement, solidification of the single crystal. Okay, and intermetallic, high temperature ceramics, and carbon composites, fabrication process involved in the metal matrix component, and the shape memory alloy, and application in aerospace vehicles, open and close molded process. Okay, so we will discuss all these things. Okay, and this is our last chapter. This chapter we discuss about the electric and electronics materials. Okay, so in this, intrinsic and the extrinsic semiconductivity, dielectric material, piezoelectric materials, magnetic material, and introduction classification of the magnetic material. Okay, and soft and hard magnetic material. So it is the end of this our syllabus. We will cover these whole topics in the upcoming videos. So I hope you will enjoy these videos, and if you want to add these things in your academic, so you need to certificate to add. So I give you a website. Okay, there you can join this course, okay, at very minimum price, so you can attach this course as a value added courses in your academic. Okay, or like 4 week internship on high temperature materials. Okay, so you can get both the certificates. First is on the internship, okay, and the second certificate which is valued course. And there are some books which is recommended. Okay, so the textbooks are like this is the right, okay, and this is the name of the book, and this is the publication. So you can search online these books, otherwise I give you all these materials. Okay, so you can search one time, at least one time. Okay, so you can choose any one book. Okay, which is, it is according to you that which book is good for you, so you can choose anyone. So all the books are good. So thank you and have a nice day.